but he showed himself. All right, so got my cousin Tony back with me for one last hunt here of this season. Really hoping he gets a deer. Neither one of us has done a whole lot this year, but I got one little buck back, and I was kind of feeling bad about doing that, but now I'm kind of glad I did, because hadn't seen anything since. But anyway, we're gonna go down here and try it again.
Yes, sir.
So anyway, we decided today is January 6th, so
Yeah.
we're heading out. Tomorrow's the last day, January 7th, and anyway, I'm going to be out of the regular box blind, and Tony's going to be up in a ladder stand, and so anyway, we both got a good chance. So anyway, come on along, and we'll see if we can close the deal.
That's right.
Good luck. Okay, well, we made it into the hunting blind, and Tony's down in the stand about probably a good 200, 250 yards away. So we're both kind of looking on the same area. He's just further down. So anyway, we're trying out all this new equipment and stuff, and so we've got the Canon EOS R6 Mark II, and we're really hoping that's going to help us out when he gets low light, because these deer come out right at dusk. And my Canon M50 just struggled with the low light, and I think this is going to do a lot better. So sure hope we see something tonight and be able to film that. So anyway, we hope that today will be the day. Like I said, we've got today and tomorrow, and then that's it. And then it'll be time to start thinking about food plots and things. So thanks for coming along, and we're gonna sit back and get quiet, maybe eat a few snacks, and hopefully tonight will be the night. Snack sticks, that's where it's at. Thank you, Shrox. We got 20 minutes left, maybe 25. And this is usually the time they start coming out. Okay, friends, we're back in the blind today. As you can tell, Tony and I didn't have any success last night. He did see a couple deer, just wasn't in a position to get a shot, and I didn't see a thing. So anyway, which is really kind of unusual. You can usually always count on seeing does here. But anyway, there's a couple bucks here that I've been watching really throughout the whole season. I'm going to put up a couple little clips, a couple little photographs for you to see them. And I've really been torn as to whether or not I should, if I have an opportunity, should I just wait till next year or even the year after? And I'm kind of thinking, since I'm by myself this evening, that unless it's a really nice buck, I'm probably going to just wait. So, but who knows? That can change in the heat of the moment for sure. But anyway, so today is the last day of hunting season, and or is it? You know, sometimes we kind of reduce hunting down to just the act of shooting wild game, but really there's a lot more. It's a year-long process, food plots and prepping hunting spots and all kinds of things. So while it's the last day of shooting season, it's certainly not the last day of hunting season. But anyway, we're here. It's January the 7th, and it's about 50 degrees. And so not a bad evening. So we're going to sit back, get things right. And I am looking forward to, I'm really wanting to photograph some deer, just to see how the new camera does in the very low light conditions. So that's a real goal of mine, and I hope we'll be able to do that. So thanks for sticking around. If you stuck around to the end of this, appreciate that. Hunting videos are one of the hardest ones to do because it's a lot of sitting and a lot of waiting, but that's hunting. So anyway, enough rambling, and sit back and enjoy the evening, and hopefully we'll have some wild game to show you. Oh, by the way, yeah, I'm kind of missing my cousin, my hunting buddy Tony. He's doing the right thing. He had a funeral today. His uncle passed away, and so he's with his mom and at the funeral. So special shout out to them. And anyway, I know he'd be like to hunting on the last day, but family comes first, and Tony is definitely a family man. So I respect that, and I appreciate that about him. Well, friends, that was pretty exciting. Not the kind of ending I was expecting, but he showed himself. He came within about 10 yards of coming out of the woods, and I was going to glass one last time. And when I did that, I caught the white of his horns. And he stood there, another 10 minutes or so, and just, he knew something wasn't quite right. And he just wouldn't walk out into the food plot. But he's there, and hopefully he'll be there next season. And it was just a blessing to see him. So that's going to end there. Whew. I still got a little buck fever. That's going to end their season for this year. But anyway, we'll be back, and we'll be planting food plots, and we'll be preparing for next year. So anyway, thanks for watching, and hope you have a great day, and I hope you have a blessed day. We'll see you on the next one.